Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling what matters: developer options and USB debugging. Tap build number 7 times, then open developer options and toggle USB debugging on. Make sure OEM unlocking is disabled unless required for your task, and confirm the phone trusts your PC when the prompt appears. Use a known good data cable and connect to a powered USB port. Avoid charge-only cables because they prevent data. Once connected, verify the device appears in a DB devices so you can proceed to protocol-level debugging. Once the device is visible, you need diagnostic data. Run a DB kill server, then a DB start server, and confirm a DB devices lists your device as authorized. Capture system logs with a DB logcat and redirect to a file for post-analysis. Also fetch kernel messages with a DB shell dmesc. If USB layer faults are suspected, enable USB protocol captures via setprop or a vendor diagnostic mode, or use an external USB sniffer between host and device. Make sure timestamps are synced so you can correlate. You now reproduce the issue with all logging active so you capture the failure state. Perform the exact steps that trigger the problem and note timestamps. Apply fixes incrementally. Update host drivers, switch USB modes like MTP versus PTP, or adjust kernel or vendor USB configs and reboot between changes. After each change, retest and compare logs. If things still fail, toggle USB configs, try a different PC or cable, and if necessary, inspect traffic with a USB sniffer to isolate hardware versus software faults.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.